Hello, today's math assignment is the same assignment as yesterday in that you're going to create 5 problems and solve them and do the check. I have 5 problems for you. If you would like me to share my document with you so you can see the last 2 problems, I'm going to do the first 3 with you. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. I can help you out, get your homework done. Okay. Let's get started. So we have 7 minus 5x minus 13 equals negative 25. Well, we know, and I'm going to put this in a different color, that there's actually a 1 here. So we're going to do the distributive property with this negative 1. Okay, so I still have 7. Negative 1 times 5x is negative 5x. Negative 1 times negative 13 is positive 13. Okay, I'm going to combine my like terms. I'm going to combine the 7 and the 13. 7 plus 13 is 20. Okay, right now I have a plus 20. To move it to the other side, I'm going to subtract 20. Okay, that leaves me with negative 5x over here. Negative 25 minus 20 is negative 45. Okay, divide both sides by negative 5. And that gives me x equals 9. Because we know that a negative divided by a negative is a positive. Okay, let's go ahead and everywhere I have an x, I'm going to substitute in the number 9. Okay, so 7 minus parentheses 5 times 9. Let's erase that and let's make that a better looking 9. Minus 13 equals negative 25. Okay. First thing I'm going to do is the multiplication. 5 times 9 is 45. Okay. 45 minus 13. I'm going to do next because that's what's in parentheses, which is 32. Okay. And negative 7 minus 32 is negative 25. So negative 25 equals negative 25. So it checks. Okay. Let's look at problem number 2. 2 plus 3x equals negative 2, parentheses, negative 2x plus 6. First thing I'm going to do is the distributive property. Okay, there's no distributive property to do over here, so I'm just going to go ahead and copy down the problem. Negative 2 times negative 2x, a negative times a negative is a positive, so I have 4x. Negative 2 times 6 is negative 12. Okay, now I'm going to find my smallest x. I have 3x and I have 4x, so 3x is my smallest. I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides. Okay, these cancel each other out, leaves me with 2 over here. 4 minus 3 is 1, minus 12. To move the negative 12 to the other side, I'm going to add 12. Okay, these cancel each other out, leaves me with 1x. 2 plus 12 is 14. Okay, so In my original equation, everywhere I have an x, I'm going to put a 14. So I'm just going to draw a line here so I don't get confused. So 2 plus 3 times 14 negative 2 times 14 plus 6. Okay, so I'm going to do my multiplication here. 14 times 3 is 42. I'm going to multiply in here. Negative 2 times 14 is negative 28 plus 6. 2 plus 42 is 44. Negative 28 plus 6 is negative 22. Okay. And negative 2 times negative 22, a negative times a negative is a positive, which will give me 44. Okay, and that one checks. Okay, last problem that I'm going to do with you, and then I've got 2 other problems down at the bottom of the sheet that you can work on your own. But if you need help, go ahead and contact me. Okay, let's look at this problem. What we're going to do is we're going to combine our like terms. 1 plus 5 is 6. Okay, I'm going to move my 6 to the other side. So right now it's a plus 6, so I'm going to subtract 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. Equals negative 2x. Okay, to get rid of the negative 2, I've got to divide by negative 2. And 0 divided by negative 2 is 0. Okay, let's go ahead and plug that into our equation and see if it checks. Okay, so 6 equals 1 minus 2 times 0 plus 5. Okay, I'm going to do the multiplication first. Negative 2 times 0 is 0. So 6 equals 1 plus 0 plus 5. Okay, and 5 plus 1 equals 6. So it checks. Okay, again, here's question 4 and 5. If you want me to go ahead and send those to you, just ask me and I will share the document with you. If you have any questions, concerns, need help with anything, please let me know. Okay, bye.